If you've received this mail from Instagram that your account has been suspended or disabled, just go to your Chrome browser and then type accessing and downloading your Instagram information. Then it's going to open up to this Google page, and you're going to have lots of options here to choose from. But then I would want you to choose this option that says you can access the data download tool from your privacy. Click on it and it brings you to this page with other options for you to choose from. Okay, so but for the sake of what we are doing right now, we're going to choose data access, and then it gives us other options as well. Then for the sake of what we are doing now also, we are going to come down to where it is written I have an Instagram account, but I can't access my data. Okay, click on it and then you scroll down, and then you see where you have to fill out your personal information. So you have to put in your full name, and then you come down also to put in your Instagram username. So whatever there is Instagram username, what I'm going to put there. The third option is for you to choose the country of your residence. Okay, so I'm from Nigeria, so I'm going to put in Nigeria here. And then once you put in your country of residence, you have to put in your email address that you use to register your Instagram account, not just any email address. Okay, so the email address that is associated with the Instagram account that has been disabled. So once I fill out all of those options, click on agree and then send. Click on the send button. It brings you to this place. Okay, so where you have to put in a code. So we're going to go back to your Gmail and then get in the code that Meta has sent to you. So by the time you get this 6-digit code that Meta, 6 or 5-digit code that Meta has sent to you, you have to copy it and paste it here to run a security check. So they're going to run a security check to check properly if you're a robot or if you're a human. Okay, it usually does not take any time, within few seconds. Click on submit, and then by the time you click on this submit, Meta would have sent you a mail again, another mail again. But then the mail may not usually come in immediately. Okay, so you have to exercise a little bit patience for like few seconds before you can get it. Okay, so while you are waiting to get this mail, you can easily check other part of your mail, like your socials, to know if it's there already. So when I checked here, mine wasn't even there, so I have to like wait after some time. Now I have received the mail. You're going to read all this through, read it carefully, okay, so as not to make any mistake. They're going to give you options and links for self-service. Okay, but this is not what we are looking for. So after reading this, please, you have to reply to this email. I have created a draft for this for the response to this mail already, which you can also create, which you can also copy by yourself and then make some little changes and send to them. Okay, so you're going to write an appeal letter to them or mail to them, telling them that you were not guilty as charged. You are not guilty for deactivation of your account. Okay, so because you're not guilty of it, you're going to send them a well-constructed email letting them know that it has to, for me, I believe you have to give them reasons why you feel your account was wrongly disabled. Okay, so draft your email very well. You can copy this and then redraft it yourself and then send to them. And I believe when you send it to them, they are going to respond to you. Okay, sometimes they might respond to tell you they don't have anything to say to you, but sometimes you have to resend it after some time again. Okay, so at this point in time, if you have not gotten any response, I advise you keep sending it to them, maybe twice a day or 3 times a day, and hopefully they're going to hopefully your account activation might be successful or should be successful. Okay, so for more video like this, please follow my YouTube channel. I share beautiful content on AI, tech, socials, and how to make money. I hope you find this video very helpful, and I want to see you in my next video. Ciao ciao.